come a long way from being merely the girl next door who won a Miss India title. Actor Neha Dhupia proves she's still very serious about fitness as she pays the capital a visit.
Ex-Delhi girl but not yet ex-Bollywood bikini babe Neha Dhupia had the people of Punjabi Bagh all out on the streets when she dropped in on Sunday to inaugurate a new gym in town. And she got seriously talking about her passion and priority of fitness.
I was working out just meaninglessly. I was not a model and I was not into the whole Miss India thing, and I wasn't into the whole, deal of acting or anything. But definitely make sure, go to the gym. That time I used to go to the gym for like 2 hours a day because I had that kind of time. And strangely, I have been into fitness ever since. It definitely changes the way I look when I stop working out. But it's always important to work out. Put my mom on to working out as well. She works out in the same gym, and now in the past 3 months she's lost like 13 kilos. She's like an example. I'm fighting my last 3 kilos to go from somewhere, or 5 kilos. I have friends who've been fighting that. But if that age, if people can do that, I think it's commendable. And just you drop age, when you're into fitness, you sort of just look different, you're just healthier, you spring out of your chair sooner. It's really important to stay fit.
We all know Neha's the stuff many male fantasies are made of. But what about her latest crush?
I had a crush on someone. Adrian Grenner. He's the guy from Entourage. I have a big crush on him right now.
Coming quite away from doing films like Julie and Shisha, the actress spoke about her recent release, Das Kahaniyan, and her choices in films now.
I thought it was great because when Sanjay called and he was like, I want you for a film, and I was like, yeah, great. And he's like, usually when people call, it's like 30 days of work. And he was like, we'll finish the film in 3 days. I was like, oh wow, perfect, brilliant. It's always a bit of a gamble when you're doing something experimental, but it turned out to be great.
And here's what fans of Neha can look forward to, films-wise, very soon.
Well, I have a film called Rama Rama Kya Ye Drama, which is coming out, which is a comedy, and it's like, a comedy. And then I have one of my favorite films, one of the nicest films I've been a part of, called Mithya, and it's coming out in Feb. Really looking forward to it.
Stay tuned for Your Day Today. That's up next.